Hello everyone. In today's fast world, managing our electronics device can be a real challenge. Introducing Bigfix Vault, the ultimate app that simplifies the way you handle your device and their warranty. If you are already a subscriber of Bigfix Vault, then log in using email password, mobile OTP or using Google account. To register with us, just enter your 10-digit mobile number, get the OTP, enter your OTP and fill the sign up form. The sign up form contains the name, your valid email address and create your password that at least contain one uppercase, one lowercase with minimum 8 characters in length. With Bigfix Vault, you can create a secure and organized electronics device repository at your fingertips. Adding the device details. I already have created my device repository in Bigfix Vault app that show my device details and history. You can book a service request, whether it is repair, brand claim, insurance claim through Bigfix Vault app. If you want to know a service center near your area, just enter the PIN code or select the city. You can see the authorized and general service provider near your area. You can also book a service request by selecting the authorized service center. You will receive the confirmation notification on your email, mobile number, ensuring that your service request is proceed, and you can check your status up to date in the Vault app. Vault also offers option to protect your devices with protection plan, office care protection plan, home care protection plan, extended warranty protection plan. Once you have found protection plan for your devices, you can buy it easily from the Vault app. So Vault is the app that simplifies device management, service booking and warranty protection all in one convenient place. So why wait? Download the Vault app today. Enjoy the benefit of your streamlined device management experience.